Happy August, everyone. It's 1st of August today. How are we feeling about this? We are in the second half of 2025. Just the fact is crazy. Is it just me or like time is running after 2019? Because I am turning 23 this month. I celebrated my last birthday on YouTube, and this is going to be our second birthday together. Honestly, my last year ka birthday feels like yesterday. So I just don't know. वरना usually what happens with me is कि मेरा birthday चला जाता है and I'm like अब वापस कब आएगा, और फिर मैं 1 साल तक वेट करती हूँ. बट अब लगा ही नहीं कि मैंने वेट करा है. टाइम इज़ एक्चुअली रनिंग. टेल मी, मेरी बिगिनिंग इससे बढ़िया कैसे हो सकती थी? I was feeling really low for the last few months and I started feeling better अभी 3-4 दिन पहले. But yesterday I had that August feeling. Like August feels like everything is changing, although July is the month को bifurcate करता है, but July is just like January. Like people don't take July seriously. August की beginning में the air changes. क्या मेरे फटे हुए होठ तुम्हें दिक्कत दे रहे हैं? तो मुझे लिप बाम गिफ्ट कर दो. I finally built the habit of having breakfast in the morning, and for 5 days straight I had my breakfast. But then I got sick, and then it was out of the window again. Now, for the last 2 years, my August has changed a bit. Today is my second work anniversary. That's crazy. In 2023, my life fully changed because usually in August, I just think about myself the whole August. I had college, I had school. If you want to take a self-care day off and you just want to rot in bed and you just want to do nothing, you can take the day off. As much as I am grateful for the work because it helps me get things, I'm not craving about work basically. But I just miss my life before work. I still find time for myself and prioritize myself. Like I said, August is also my birthday month, and I do this self-evaluation check-in. What did I do? My mood highly depends on my ratings that I give to myself. But सब हटाओ. Let's talk about today. कल रात को I was listening to August. It's like a tradition at this point. I think everyone relates to that. I made a fun video and I sent that to all my friends just for the laughs because I just wanted to wish them happy August. My friends are literally the sweetest people on this planet, and I had one of those moments that felt like I do not deserve these people. I woke up with the messages of happy birthday month, happy August, and happy work anniversary. My girlfriends wished me happy girlfriend's day. First of all, my day was made first thing in the morning, and then I got a text from Shruti. I ordered you lunch, and I was like, my day is already made. मेरे पास इतना workload है, but आज Friday है. Every month in my planner I have to plan the month. बीबी जब 30th या फिर first Saturday Sunday या ऐसे किसी दिन पड़ती है, it just makes me feel really cool. भगवान ने ये month इसीलिए ऐसे बनाया है ताकि तेरे को time मिल जाए, तो पूरे दिन अपने महीने के बारे में सोच पाए और plan कर पाए. और मैं हर चीज़ में कुछ ना कुछ string ढूंढ ही लेती हूँ. तो मेरे को ऐसा है कि आज first है, आज Friday है. Everyone's been so nice to me सुबह से, and not gonna lie bro, I needed that. I needed some love. I'm going to work and then I'll get done with work. I will do मेरे रूम का सफाई. मेरे दोस्तों ने मेरा लंच ऑर्डर किया है, मेरे भाई ने मेरे लिए सूट ऑर्डर किया है. Life is good. I finally have some hopes for August, and I will also take care of myself to make myself feel better. But also Shruti said I've ordered you lunch and it's not junk because she knows that मैं बहुत ज़्यादा junk खाती हूँ and all the problem that's been going on, and I'm trying to cut out. Basically I cannot control myself, so I end up ordering junk. I don't know मेरे lunch में क्या होगा. I'm so excited because this is so cool. You will always find me talking about my friends, and yeah. ये मेरी चेयर है और इस पर पन्नी चढ़ी हुई है और इसको आए हुए बहुत हफ्ते हो गए हैं. लाइट चली गई. नहीं आई थी. मैंने उस दिन सोचा था कि मैं इसकी पन्नी 1 अगस्त को फाड़ूंगी because I will keep you updated. Guys, I'm actually having the sweetest day ever and I really want to document. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा hunch down हो रखी हूँ, but it's okay, ignore that. You saw my lunch was sponsored by my friends. Then my boss sent like a very sweet text on the office Slack group, and then my manager who hired me, and then she left, but I've been like in touch with her ever since. She sent me the sweetest voice note, and then it's 4:30 and I got a flower. And I also got sweet treat. Tell me I'm not the luckiest person in this whole wide world, because I'm feeling like one today. That's all I wanted to say. Thank you. Just when I thought that my friends are done, they were actually not done. Wait. They got me a cake. We're going to cut it together. Always wanted कि मैं ज़िंदगी में एक birthday cake अकेले cut करूँ, but that has never happened, and thank God, because that's sad. But I get to cut this alone, so. Ignore this, क्योंकि ना तो ये हट रहा है और ना तो ये वापसी लग रहा है. Happy August to you. Happy August, dear everyone. Second bite to my friends. Third bite to all the 86 people here. From 1st August, we are jumping straight to 9th August. It's Rakhi. Happy belated Raksha Bandhan, everyone. जब मैं ये post करूँगी तब तक तो राखी चली जा चुकी होगी. Right now, I'm going to get ready. इतनी तेज़ बारिश और इतनी continuous बारिश कभी नहीं हुई जितनी आज हो रही है. मैं 6:30 बजे उठी थी या 7 बजे उठी थी, कुछ ऐसे उठी थी. तब से 10:30 बजे तक straight बारिश हो रही है. And पता नहीं कब रुकेगी. My पूरा mood depends on my hair today. Just a tiny little droplet can ruin everything. मेरे यहाँ से बाल बिल्कुल ऐसे हो जाते हैं इन मानसून. इस साल मैंने हर महीने में सिर्फ एक बार हीट यूज़ किया है, क्योंकि मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि मैं थोड़ा कम हीट यूज़ करूँगी. बट आई स्टिल डोंट वांट टू लाइक वेस्ट स्ट्रेट हेयर टुडे. आई एम नॉट वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट राखी दिस ईयर. रात में एक्साइटमेंट भी नहीं हो रही थी 1% भी. और मुझे ये चीज़ ना बहुत ज़्यादा सुबह हिट हो रही थी, तो आई रोट समथिंग जो जब ये ब्लॉग खत्म हो जाएगा मे बी आई विल टेल यू. इट्स इन माई जर्नल. बाय द वे, द सूट दैट आई एम वेयरिंग गिफ्टेड बाय माई ब्रदर. वरना अदरवाइज मैं इतनी नॉन एक्साइटेड थी इस बार कि मैंने कुर्ती या फिर कुछ भी नहीं लिया था. आई वॉज गोइंग टू वेयर कोई तो पुराना कुर्ती विद जीन्स टुडे, बट ठीक है अब सूट आ गया एंड इट लुक्स क्यूट ऑल्सो. सो जैसे जैसे थोड़े बड़े हो जाते तो तुम्हारे भाई भी फॉर सम रीज़न टू कूल फॉर राखी एक्ट करने लग जाते हैं. लाइक दे डोंट रियली केयर. तो इसलिए इस बार मेरा भी इतना कुछ खास मन नहीं है. बट हम नानी के घर जाएंगे तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी फन. ये ऐश की फर्स्ट राखी है और ऐश सिम्बा को राखी बांधेगी, तो हमने सिम्बा के लिए ट्रीट्स भी मंगाए हैं. That's something that I'm very excited about. One more thing that I'm excited about is that abhi I'll get ready and I will listen to my chatpate gaane while getting ready. As long as this getting ready wala part is sorted for me na, everything else is going to be fine. अगर नहीं भी होता है तो मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ा तैयार होने में आता है. I look like I need some sleep, but for now the makeup will do. पता नहीं क्या हो गया एलेक्सा को. महीने की लग रहा हूँ ऐसा
ऐसा
गाइस मैं मोआना हूँ
अबे भाई मजे का तो पूरा महीना उसके मामा कह रहे हाँ दिया होगा तो मैंने 20 दिन सारे के साथ
बहुत मेहनत करी है मैंने बहुत राखी बांधी है सबके हाथ पे 3 राखी बांधी है क्योंकि 2 लोग एब्सेंट थे थक गई हूँ मैं इतनी मेहनत कर करके तो मैं रख लेती हूँ You know how I was talking about so many parts that I don't enjoy anymore about Rakhi? Bro, I enjoy this. I like it.
उड़ तू ले
खाना इतना अच्छा बना
सिम्बा अपनी राखी दिखाओ
राखी बांधी क्या दिया
ट्रीट गिफ्ट है इसका
आगे मैं बोल ये इसको सिंपल बंद कर
अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दो ये मेरा सबसे छोटा भाई है
माय नेम इज रक्षित मुदगल एंड आई स्टडी इन क्लास 12 विद तो बच्चों वाला इंटरव्यू थोड़ी लोग तो वहाँ बैठा थोड़ी है अब तो यही थी लोर बता दी मैंने अपनी लोर
और सुना
यही है लोर
इसने एक
अति हॉरिफिक मत नॉट हॉरिफिक बट पैरानॉर्मल लोर बताई
यस इस सोसाइटी की जिसमें ये रहता है
मुझे तो अच्छा ही लगता है
आज राखी
आई
है
ऑलवेज स्टे पीसफुल नहीं आई ऑलवेज स्टे हैप्पी
अबे ये तेरा कोई वो है मिरर
अरे तो देख तो सकता ही हूँ मैंने नहीं देखा
अरे सर अरे सर अरे सर
मेरे
फोटो
को-
फोटो अरे
मेरी
सर
फोटो मत लो।
अरे सर फोटो
मेरी
फोटो
फोटो-
अरे
फोटो
अरे
मत।
अरे सर कैन यू प्लग वन फॉर मी ब्रो
ऐसे करना तो नहीं चाहिए सर
थैंक यू We are back and very tired. I did not vlog a lot. I did not vlog anything. I don't think the sequence of the clips that I've added has any context whatsoever. But it's okay. They are going to be my memory capsule one day. This is the outro, but before I end this video, I'm going to read out what I wrote. I think I talked about it. This is the first time I've used this diary. I usually jot down everything in my journal, and I feel this is too pretty to be touched with a basic pen. I think this is our mindset and we need to fix that. It's like how we never used to use the stickers because we thought हम इसको save करके रखेंगे for something really special. Something special never really came. I still have those One Direction stickers. What do I do with it? Nothing. I can't do anything. Anyway, so the day leading to Rakhi, I could not sleep out of excitement. Picking the best ones for my brothers and deciding who gets which. Early morning banters over who's going to take a shower first. Forcing my brothers to get out of the shorts and wear something traditional to twin with me. Waiting for Himanshu's classic dialogue. सारे festivals पर बहनों का ही फायदा क्यों होता है? Waiting for Honey to complain. दीदी अब मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ. बड़ों वाली राखी लाया करो. When I tied him the Ben 10 one. Tucking away my beloved Shagun ka lifafa only to keep it in my good luck. Everyone kept mocking how so many years of experience in tying Rakhi could not even teach me how to tie it right to this day. Counting how many travel sticks to see how many kids they are going to have, and that would lead to us dying of laughter. Nani ka ghar felt like Nani ka ghar, full of warmth. Now it's just full of nostalgia. All the cousins sitting in one room, eating chole puri from one plate and one plate only. Adults sitting in the other room discussing God knows what. Chocolates stolen from the box that I had just gifted them. Brothers teasing, smiles overlapping, time out of the window. I could not sleep last night, not out of excitement, but just wondering where it went. Yeah, on that note, we are going to end this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.